Nice.
Hey everybody, welcome to Tide House. My name's Ian, and today we're going to do a fun cocktail. This one's called Holy Water. Now, I have not heard of this. I have not tried it. This is something that appeared to me in a dream. I'm kidding. My wife sent it to me through Facebook. She said, try this next. Looked fun, looked delicious, looked refreshing. And since the weather's starting to turn now and it's starting to get a little bit warmer, I'm feeling like a little holy water. What about you? Let's do it. So, first things first with the holy water. Make sure we have pineapple juice, clear rum, blue curaçao, lemonade, and vodka. We're gonna just mix all that up. A little bit of ice, give her a shake, and I think she's gonna be delicious. So let's do that right now. So first things first, we're going to need, we're gonna mix it in this, my little tumbler here. We're gonna need 1 ounce of vodka. Now today's vodka, we're gonna do the Moulin by Jean Paul. Very nice vodka. Looks like a Grey Goose bottle. For the longest time I thought it was a Grey Goose. See what they did there with that design. But here we go, here we go. So we're gonna do 1 ounce vodka. 1 ounce clear rum. Now today's clear rum is Bacardi. I don't go fancy with clear rum. I don't believe in it. Mostly because I feel like it's an easy way to distill rum, is clear, right? I go higher end with my spiced rums, you know. I look for stuff that was made in the Caribbean, Puerto Rico, all those amazing island nations that make some really incredible rum. But for now, 1 ounce of Bacardi. Here we go. Boom. Next up, we're gonna need some blue curaçao. Curaçao, it's fun, it's colorful. Makes the cocktails look nice. It's got kind of an orangey flavoring to it. Like I said, makes things taste a little bit sweeter too. So we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of the blue curaçao. And I do not care what brand you use. Generally speaking, if I'm at a liquor store, they only have one brand that they sell. This one is Classica. Sounds legit. Sounds so legit. So, 2 ounces of lemonade. It's Minute Maid lemonade. Maybe I should just stop there. All right, we're gonna do 2 ounces here, my friends. 2 ounces. Oh no. Dose, one for the road. Don't do that if you work at a bar. Just start taking samples of everything while you're pouring it. And then last but not least, we're gonna do a little pineapple juice here. Again, we're gonna go with the Dole, and we're gonna do 1 ounce of pineapple juice. So again, ounce of pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce of blue curaçao, 2 ounces lemonade, 1 ounce clear rum, 1 ounce vodka. We're gonna shake this bad boy up. We're gonna need some ice. Woo! Baby! I think this is gonna look awfully pretty today. This might be my summer drink. I don't know. Last year was margaritas. We'll go over that recipe sometime in the future too. So today we're gonna do just a simple cocktail glass, and we were going to strain with this. All right, so we're gonna pour this one, but first let's put some ice in the glass, make this look really nice. So I got one big old round ice cube. We're gonna throw that right in there. It's gonna really make this drink pop. Let's do it. The pour. That is a fun color. That is a fun color. So when we garnish this one, I would assume you'd want to garnish this with a pineapple, fresh pineapple. I don't have fresh pineapple, so what we're gonna do, with the curaçao being kind of orange flavor, we're gonna garnish with an orange and a cherry. And of course, my favorite cherries are the Luxardo. We're gonna make a sandwich just like that. Put it right in there. All right, here we are. Put a little cocktail straw in there. And this is called the Holy Water. Let's take a sip here. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of Hawaii. Oh, what are those cocktails? Blue Hawaiians, I believe. Very similar tasting. The pineapple juice is just like a dead giveaway. Like anytime you add pineapple juice to a cocktail, the cocktail becomes the pineapple juice. So if you're a big fan of pineapple juice, this will be a cocktail for you for sure. If you're not a big fan of pineapple juice, I'd probably skip this one. But it's very light, very refreshing, very tasty, fruity. You don't get really anything from the rum or the vodka. It is just like a fruit punch, man. Just a fruit punch. And it looks so cool. Looks so cool. So there we have it. Holy water. Oh, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Hope you'd enjoyed this video. Short but sweet today. We're probably going to film one right now. Another back-to-back episode. But thank you very much, everybody, and cheers.